Let me show you how to fix missing eSIM option on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus. So usually you can open settings, then proceed to mobile networks, and then in here you should be able to find the turn on eSIM option. However, there is a chance that you will not find this option. It will be not available even though you should have this option in here. So what you can do to solve this issue is you can go to additional settings and then you want to change region. Most likely there is something going on with your region that didn't add the eSIM option. In my case, I had this issue with the United States, but it is also possible that it is not available in other countries or regions. So what you can do is you can switch, for example, to United Kingdom or any European country, or at least most of the European countries should work. So let's say we're going to use United Kingdom, and then you can go back to mobile networks, and then you should be able to find the eSIM option. You can set up your eSIM, and then you can, for example, switch the region back, and you actually should not get rid of the eSIM after that. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.